Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INPX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. Think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was just yesterday near its lows, and then you look at where the price closed today, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls have definitely made a nice solid move. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at, let's see, what is that? $1.32. Why is $1.32 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $1.32. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Or as let's say the price pulls back, not saying it will, but just for example's sake, behaves in this manner and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation here? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this set of lows down here. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I am defining and quantifying that phrase, make progress, as $1.32. Now, what about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, the key level that the bulls are going to have to work on fighting through is right up here at that $1.58. So it makes sense why it was struggling there today. Why do I say it makes sense? Well, you can see the price was rejected back here on February 28th. So I'm not saying that the price can't break through there. I'm just saying, once again, it makes sense why the price did all of a sudden decide to start to struggle right up there around the $1.58 mark. So that'll be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, no doubt about it, nice move today. Now it's just a matter of whether or not the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.